guys, it's BC Airsoft here. This is me, Matt, the cameraman, the other Matt, the big gun man, and Jacob, the not as big gun man.
That's rude. We got the guns in.
Ah, nah! But anyway, they're going to be having a mini battle because my guns are charging at the moment, so let's go on with it.
No, we have a problem.
What?
My actual light gun was falling off.
Okay, so we've changed masks quickly because it's going to be a little bit better this way, and the other one was falling off, so I kind of got them on. Yeah. But anyway, here's the game rules. The first person to hit the other player wins. You must call it when you're hit. I don't know what we're going to call it. Mate, not a good idea. Okay, you have 10 seconds. Yeah, why not? Okay, you can have 10 seconds to hide, and when I say go, you guys can go for it.
Can you flip a coin for that end?
Yeah, I don't have a coin.
Okay, I'm going to flip my phone. Okay. Hey, who's heads, who's tails?
Tails.
Can't even see, the coin's too shiny. Okay, who's who?
Head.
Tails.
Okay, that's going to be it. Okay, tails.
No, that's shit.
Mate, take cover anywhere. Okay, you have 10 seconds when I say 5.
No looking though. Wait, 10 seconds when I say 5. Ah.
Yeah, well, I know you can't even see anything really.
I'll come round. So we'll see.
I don't even...
I'll come fully round.
Okay, 10, 9, 7, -3, 1, go. Wait, were you hit? Stop! See where you got hit.
Like here.
You got a small red dot. Well, Matt won that first one.
I think I want that face mask now.
Round 2. Matt's leading with 1-0. If Jacob wins this, then it's first to 3.
Is it?
Best. No, Jake, no.
It's on field.
Yes. Ah, you cunt. Jake, no. Okay, 10, 9, 8.
Wait, pause.
Yeah.
Make him not look.
What?
I need to get into cover. I didn't look for him.
Okay, turn around.
That corner.
Turn around.
Well, you didn't go around.
Actually, you did look.
I didn't.
Yeah, you did.
I turned around.
You were standing here like...
Yeah, but I turned around.
10,
Turn
9, 8, 7,
Turn around.
6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Can you see my shadow?
I'm coming through, okay? Matt, this is me.
That is so tiny.
You can't see it. They're deep in battle, because this is a crappy flashlight. Let's just go. Yeah, okay, it didn't work. Ah! Oh, hit! And Matt wins, second round 2.